What up, Trusted Signals, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about support and resistance trading with Trusted Signals. The Trusted Signals main indicator has a set of 20 plus tools. That means with just a free membership on TradingView, you have access to 20 plus tools with only one indicator, which is an amazing feature to have within Trusted Signals if you are limited to the amount of indicators you can use on your TradingView account. TradingView only allows you a maximum of 3 indicators per free account. Before we dive into this, all I ask is please do like and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your friends and family who are looking for a trade system to improve their trading. Trusted Signals family, let's go! Let's go ahead and dive into this. So here we have the Dow Jones pulled up, and we're going to go ahead and break down this example with the default settings within Trusted Signals and the auto support and resistance feature within the main indicator. The first thing you want to do is go to your indicators here where it says show indicator legend. Open this up, and if you don't know how to add this to your chart, please watch our previous videos where we break down how to add Trusted Signals indicators to your chart. Then you're going to go to this gearbox and hit open to access the setting panel within the main indicator. Here we have the default settings, which do work really well with US 30. We do have US 30 settings that we recommend, which we break down in our US 30 5-minute settings video. But for this example, we're just going to use the default settings. Now, scrolling down, here are some of the 20 plus tools that you will have access to within the main indicator. And down here, you're going to find show auto support and resistance, which is right here. Show support and resistance. By clicking this button, now Trusted Signals is going to automatically detect support and resistance within the chart. Now that we have that set up, let's go ahead and close the indicator legend list and have a clean slate. All right. This is one of my favorite things within Trusted Signals, the support and resistance feature. You can use this strategy on any time frame. For this example, we're going to stick on the 4-hour and break down step by step how you can use this method to make money inside of the market. All right, so the red lines are obviously the resistance lines. Then we have the blue lines, which are the support lines. The idea is to have sell entries at the resistance lines and buy entries at the support lines. Here's a great example. This auto resistance line will be generated by Trusted Signals. So to see this in a real life example, I'm going to go ahead and press replay and start this around here. So here you can see that the resistance line was created. Let's go ahead and press play to see how it would look like after the fact that this auto resistance line would present itself. So let's go ahead and press play. This right here can be an opportunity to enter short. Seeing price hit the resistance line and it being respected is an opportunity for a short entry. So I will go in short right here, giving your stop a nice amount of room and using any one of the previous support and resistance as take profits. So I'm going to use this as the final take profit right here, just before, and using this one as a partial taking area. Now, pressing play, we're going to see how this plays out. So here we've already taken partials and our final take profit was hit. Now, notice something very interesting. We have a Trusted Signals support line that was created right here in real time. So once we've already taken profit from this short, I'm going to go ahead and delete this entry. I'm going to wait for price to retest this support line and now enter on a long. Let's go ahead and use a long entry here. Looking at this long entry based on our support and resistance, you always have to look to the left to your previous auto support and resistance lines as partial take profits and putting your stop in profit at these points. So for instance, this right here would be a partial taking area, and you would then put your stop loss into profit. Just in case the market turns around and goes against you, then you are protecting your account. Just this movement here on the 4 hour is a significant move on US 30, huge. So let's go ahead and count how many pips. Just this right here is 174 pips to get an understanding of how much movement goes within US 30. So at 180, let's say, we're gonna go ahead and take partials and put our stop in profit, having this as our next partial taking area and this our final partial taking area. And for us to see where this partial taking area is, I'm gonna do a horizontal ray and color this red. All right, let's see what happens after this. Boom, just like that. So we've already taken partials, we've secured 180 pips, put our stop into profit. So now our stop loss is going to be in profit. Means originally here, let's say right there. And let's go ahead and press play now. Stop is in profit, we secured the bag. What happens after this is really in no consequence to our account. All right. Now it has taken us out of the market. Now we could use any other the support or resistance for opportunities to go short or long. So now that you have seen it on the 4 hour, I'm gonna go ahead and break some examples down on the 15-minute so you could see that it works on any time frame. So here we have the 15-minute pulled up, Dow Jones, and we're going to apply the same rules. At any one of these points of support and resistance, we could have used these as entries. So using my ruler, I'm just going to count pips from the support line to previous support and resistance lines for partial taking areas by looking left. So if this was our entry, looking left, we have here on the 15-minute, 118 pips for the first partial taking area. That would have taken profit, and it would have gave you a total of 300 pips. It wouldn't have hit the final take profit, but the whole entire move would have been 314 pips. And if you would have held it until seeing a sell signal, the sell signal would have came out right after the close, which would have gave you a total of 208 pips just from that entry. Now, if you would have done it again here, you could have entered again on this long, hitting the retest of that same support line. That gave out a good 95 pips for scalping on the 15-minute. Let's go ahead and do the same right here. This support line entering long, using this previous support line as your partial taking area. That is 172 pips. This is why I love this tool. The support and resistance within trusted signals is amazing. Let's go ahead and just look at this big breadwinner right here. So this resistance line, you could have entered short at the resistance line and taken it all the way down to the previous support. That would have gave you 448 pips. This is huge. This is super powerful. This is absolutely huge and a powerful tool to have in your trade arsenal as your tools to perfect your trading. Not to mention that the whole entire move here was a good 842 pips. So there you have it, guys. That was the support and resistance trading with trusted signals. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't already, please do give this video a like and subscribe. We have a lot of updates coming to our indicator that will be announced very, very soon, which you don't want to miss out on. So once again, Trusted Signals family, let's go!